the third semi-finals of the annual quiz competition for students of secondary schools in Ogun State. This is the senior category, and of course, it is the 2020-21 edition of the competition. This quiz competition is sponsored proudly by SD Holdings Foundation. My name is Goki Rauf. I am your quiz master. For this session, we have 6 contestants, 1 girl, 5 boys. Let me start the introduction of the 6 contestants from Henry. Henry.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
Very fine.
I hope so.
All right. Welcome to the semi-finals.
Thank you very much, sir.
What did you score to qualify for the semi-finals? You can't remember.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
No, I can't. I want to.
Oh, you wanted to put it behind you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, because you want to do better. All right. Welcome to the semi-finals.
Thank you.
So what's the name of your school?
My school is the Ambassador's College, Otta.
Ambassadors College, Otta. Welcome from Otta.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah. Okpe.
Yes, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
This is the semi-finals of the competition. And of course, you are at the quarterfinals. Yeah. What did you score?
I think 160.
160. That was a great score.
Thank you, sir.
I hope you're going to do better today.
Yes, sir.
All right. What's the name of your school?
Welkin International School, Atonka.
What?
Welkin International
Wilkie.
School. Welkin.
All right. Welcome to the semi-finals.
Thank you.
And David, welcome to the semi-finals.
Thank you, sir.
I look around, I don't see Goliath here. But of course, I know that this is a competition.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready to win?
Yes, sir.
Very ready.
Sure.
All right. Welcome. What's the name of your school?
OS Faithful College E4. OS Faithful College E4. OS Faithful College.
Faithful College,
Yes.
E4. Okay, that's on the way to Lagos. All right. You came in today from E4? All
Yes, sir.
right. Welcome to the semi-finals.
Thank you, sir.
Iyanu Oluwa.
Yes, sir.
Welcome to the semi-finals.
Thanks.
Yeah. Ever smiling. I love your smile.
Thanks, sir.
All right. Now, what is it going to be like today?
Maybe tug of war.
Maybe tug of war. You are not sure yet, but you are ready for war.
Yeah.
Very ready.
Yes, sir.
I'll say it's a good one. So welcome to the semi-finals, Yanolua.
Thank you, sir.
So what's the name of your school?
Tied Up College, Abeokuta.
Abeokuta. Okay, that's the Nobantoko area.
Yes, sir.
You're welcome to the semi-finals.
Thank you.
And Ahmad, how are you today? You are very fine. I can see you are. But you're not smiling the way you smiled at the quarterfinals. Any challenge? No challenges. Are you really ready? Fully ready. And you are sure you are ready. All right. So what's going to happen after the end of this session? Let's see what will happen. You are not sure. All right, no problem. Welcome to the semifinals. What's the name of your school?
Focus National College.
Focus International College, Shagam. I hope you will be focused today. Fully focused. Welcome, Almond, to the semifinals. And wisdom. How wise are you? You don't know? But you know you are wise. You are not too sure. But you are brilliant. That you are sure of. All right. Welcome to the semi-finals. What's the name of your school? Igomode Grammar School. That should be in Ota. All right. A public school? All right. Welcome to the semi-finals. Wisdom. A round of applause for Wisdom. Distinguished audience, this is the third semi-finals, and of course, we're here to simply pick two of the contestants that will go to the finals at the end of the day. I appreciate you for being around, and of course, I wanted to give yourself a round of applause for being part of this. Thank you very much. Henry, Okpe, David, Yanolua, Ahmad, and Wisdom. Time to go. But before we do, let me remind us of the rules. You will have to answer every question within 10 seconds. You will answer every question within 10 seconds. And after that, you are expected to simply just miss the question if you can't hit your set within 10 seconds. Now there will be 10 questions in round one. And round one will be made up of mathematics fully. At the end of the first round, 2 persons will be eliminated. And of course, the remaining 4 contestants will move to the second round. Now let's see how we go to the first round. Question 1. The value obtained by x1, x2, and x3, then x to xn observation is called A, arithmetic mean, B, standard mean, C, geometric mean, and D, harmonic mean. Question 2. The following probabilities are given. Choose the correct answer for that which is not possible. A, none of the above. B, 0.15. C, 2/7. And D, 7/5. Question 3. A set with only one element in it is known as A, power set, B, subset, C, singleton set, and D, unit set. Question 4. Find the value of x for which x plus 3 modulus is equal to 4. A, 1 and -7. B, 1 and 7. C, 0 and -1. Question 5. Any two numbers, x and y, written in the form of bracket x, y, is called A, unordered pair, B, domain, C, range, D, binary relation. Let's look at how the contestants fared at the end of the first 5 questions. At the end of the first, scored 50. Henry scored 50. Okwe scored 40. David scored 30. Yanoluwa scored 20. And Ahmad scored 10. Let's move on. Question 6. The distance of the point P to bracket 2, 3 from the x-axis is A, 1, B, 2, C, 5, D, 3. Question 7. Pi is 3.41, B, ratio of diameter to circumference 21 divided by 17, and D, ratio of circumference to diameter. Question 8. The polygon is said to be convex polygon if none of its interior angles is A, right angle, B, acute angle, C, obtuse angle, and D, reflex angle. Question 9. The points -1, -5, 1, 1P, and of course 4, -2 are collinear if the value of P is A1, B3, C2, D1. Question 10. Solve the inequality 2x minus 5 greater than or equal to 4x plus 3. A, x less than or equal to 4. B, x less than or equal to -4. C, x greater than or equal to -4. And D, x greater than or equals to 4. That is the end of round 1. At the end of round 1, Wisdom scored 90. Henry scored 80. Okwe scored 70. Iyanoluwa scored 60. David scored 60. And Ahmad scored 30. I think so that we don't waste our time, of course, Ahmad, your journey ends here. Thank you very much for coming around. And I hope we'll do better if we can continue with 5 because David and Yanoluwa are on time. 60 marks apiece. A round of applause for the 5 contestants who are moving to the second round. Yes, welcome to the second round, and this second round will feature questions in chemistry, biology, and physics. My name is Dr. Raouf. I remain your quizmaster. Of course. Now we can move to the second round straight away. Question 1. Which of the following properties is not a characteristic of transition metal ions? A. Form colored solutions. B. Variable oxidation state. C. React with water to produce strong alkaline solutions and hydrogen gas. And D. Act as catalysts. Question 2. A filament lamp is A. Non-glowing, B. Non-ohmic, C. Low resistive, and D. Ohmic. Question 3. Which of the following features enables the tapeworm to live successfully in the small intestine of the human? A. The absence of segmentation and appendages. B. Possession of flame cells for excretion. C. Long neck for forming young proboscis. And D. Hooks and suckers for strong attachment. Question 4. 2-methylpropan-2 of is 2-ol is an example of A. Tertiary alcohol, B. Secondary alcohol, C. Primary alcohol, and D. Quaternary alcohol. Question 5. The strength of the magnetic field of a solenoid can be increased by adding core made up of A. Ferrous, B. Silver, C. Aluminium, and D. Copper. At the end of the first 5 questions, this is how you fare. Okpe, 40 points. Henry, 40 points. Wisdom, 30 points. Iyanoluwa, 30 points. And David, 20 points. Question 6. Energy of photon is directly related to the A. Amplitude, B. Wavelength, C. Wave phase angle, and D. Frequency. Question 7. A virus can sometimes be regarded as a living organism because it A. Exists in a variety of shapes, B. Reproduces in living cells, C. Is easily visible with the aid of electron microscope, and D. Causes disease in plants and animals. Question 8. Decolorization of bromine water will not occur on mixing it with A. Propene, B. Benzene, and C. Butane, and D. Ethane. Question 9. When a person moves from dark room into bright light, the pupil becomes A. Larger, B. White, C. Red, and D. Smaller. And of course, the last question, insulator which is placed between 2 plates of a capacitor is A. Inductor, B. Resistor, C. Dielectric, and D, conductor. And that's the end of the second round. At the end of the second round, Henry scored 80. Okpe scored 80. Wisdom scored 70. Iyanoluwa scored 70. And David scored 60. The total scores. David, your total score is 120. Iyanoluwa, your total score 130. Okpe, your total score 150. Henry, your total score is 160. And Wisdom, your total score is 160. There's a tie at the top, but of course, two persons are moving. Because two persons are moving and the two persons at the top tie on 160, 160. The two of them will advance to the final. They are Henry, you have advanced to the final. Wisdom, you have advanced to the final. It's been a tough contest, and of course, you can see that the five of them have been very wonderful, and they have done so wonderfully well. But only two will move to the finals. Two of them are Wisdom and Henry. A round of applause for them. That is the end of the third semi-finals, and of course, we shall meet all at the finals. My name is Dr. Rauf. I am the quiz master, and I want to appreciate the audience for being around. It's been a wonderful day. Thank you very much. A round of applause for all of us.